Hey Rebels, today I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to do a quick review on the smallest fishing rod that I've ever came across. This little pocket combo. And for those of you guys that are fishermen like myself or anglers, I actually have some good stuff to say about this. And yeah, it's pretty sleek, guys. This is pretty solid material right here. This is like, I think, titanium or metal, but it has some good quality to it. Pocket combo by Proficiency. I actually got these guys at Walmart. They were on sale for 15 bucks, so I ended up buying 3 of them. One for me and for my 2 boys, so we can go fishing on the kayak. But yeah, the main reason why I got these is because I like to use them. I like smaller rods when I'm on the kayak, especially with other people. So people aren't hooking me or tangling lines and stuff like that. That's one of I hate that. So I was like, you know what? Let's try these. I actually had another one, not this exact model. It was a little bigger, and the spinner was actually bigger too. And it was about, I think that one was like a 5-pound test. This is actually a 3-pound test. And I'm gonna definitely give it a try this spring. And with the 5-pound, my son and I, we caught plenty of bass, 3-4 pounds, no issue. And it's actually pretty fun because it's small. It actually expands like just this much right here. That's it. The real simple design, but it is sturdy and reliable from my experience. This is tiny spin cast reel, guys. Check this out, all right? And it's like I said, it's pretty sturdy. I haven't tried this specific model yet. Like I said, the one before was a little bigger, and it was similar idea. It was, expanded and everything. And we had so much fun. Caught so many bass in the kayak. A lot of lakes around here where we live in the Northeast in Massachusetts, and yeah, it's definitely worth the try. And $15, you can't beat it. It's fun for the kids. You can even use it for ice fishing too, because it's so short. So if you're an ice fisherman, you could definitely use this as well. And if you know how to fish, if you rig it up properly, you won't. There's no fish you can't catch on this, even a shark. Nah, I'm just kidding. But thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like. If you guys have any comments, leave them in the chat, y'all. Peace.